What it do, everybody? Welcome to another video. Today I got something really exciting, guys, and I'm sure you guys are gonna love it. This is gonna bring up the quality on everything, stream wise, quality for the gaming and all that good stuff. Guys, we have a camera here, we got a camera here right now, so it's gonna be production value right now. This one is up there, guys, but before we get into the video, guys, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And just leave a comment down below if you got yourself one of these things that I'm about to show you or not, because if you don't, I got a lot of tips to help you guys secure the bag. All right, let's get right into it, guys. So I got myself one of these bad boys today, and holy cow, am I excited, guys. Let me make sure this thing is showing up in its glory. Oh my goodness. Hey, it's beautiful. I'm excited. This is gonna be a little quick unboxing. First, let's just get right into the video, everybody. So first, we got the front of the box. 8K, goes up to 8K apparently. I didn't know that. Thought it was just 4K, but whatever. But yeah, this 4K at 120 hertz, frames per second, whatever you want to call it. HDR as well. This is the disc-free console. I couldn't get myself the one with the disc, so had to settle for this at the moment. But it just shows the PS5 and the controller, pretty much what comes inside the box. In the back shows you some more information. Nothing crazy. Lightning speed, breathtaking immersion, stunning games. You already know how it is with the PS5. But guys, this is currently the fastest console out there in the marketplace. Xbox Series whatever, I don't care about Xbox, but I'm gonna give the credit where credit is due. The Xbox is the most powerful, but the PS5 is the fastest, baby. Because if you went first or last. And then yeah, that's the side of the box. So let's get right into opening this. Got my trusty scissor here. I'm gonna be real gentle with this, just in case something broke in here. But yeah, let's get to the unboxing right now. All right, so okay, so you pull this white box out. Oh, and then goes all the marketing inside. We look at the logo there. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. Go crazy, go stupid. All right, everybody. So first we got this smaller box, and I'm assuming it's gonna be all the cables. So let's open this up for y'all. Dang, nice. All right, so we got the power cord here, guys. And it looks pretty good. All right, then we got the manual instructions. Nobody reads this, so let's just keep going. Let's see. All right, inside here. Ooh, now we're talking. So now we got the stand. Oh. So now we got the stand for the PS5, and then we got the HDMI. Wow, this looks beefy. Not too sure why it looks so big, but this is the HDMI cord that comes with the PS5. I'm assuming for the 4K stuff. With the higher resolution, seems like the cables just get thicker and thicker. And my favorite part, oh, this beauty. Oh my goodness. Dude, this feels good. Feels good in my hand. Oh, the button feels sticky right out of the box. But yeah, I am gonna have fun time adjusting to it. It's definitely different. It's gonna be different for sure from the old PS4 remote. This just feels more like home, you know. And then this is like whenever you get in that new car and you're just adjusting to the clutch or the gas pedal on it. So yeah, but the triggers feel very like responsive. They seem like they have like more room to play. And then the last little tiny compartment in this white box, we got the USB to USB-C charger. Lightning quick. Oh, that should be nice. I'm gonna put over here somewhere on the screen how fast the controller takes to charge with this cable. But dope. Guys, I got my PS5 at Best Buy. So if you're looking to get yourself one, don't try Walmart. That place, you're not gonna get one there. If you're trying online, you're gonna have to be really lucky to find one. because I tried multiple times, but Best Buy, first tried there, we got one. So all right guys, we got the PP, we got the PP5 out here. Let me be quick with this so you guys don't want to waste any of y'all's time. So let me pull this out. Oh my goodness, it's a beauty. Oh my, this is the front. Oh my, I've never seen this. So this is the front of the PS5, everybody. So sleek. Oh my, modern, minimal. We got the Sony logo, and yeah, I want to set up the stand in the bottom of it, but I have no idea how. I saw something about there being a hidden compartment, and that's where the nail is. Found it. Ooh. So guys, you just want to twist this thing, twist, and then the screw for it is gonna be right there. My camera about to die. Oh, I got it. Okay, cool. So this goes in here. All right. Let's set this upside down real quick. This thing is massive compared to the PS4. Oh my goodness. Little cap. That little cap in there. Okay, so there's a cap. You just slide the thing in. The screw goes on the top. And that should be it. Very interesting stand though. I've got my screwdriver here. And it takes a flat head. Make sure you got one handy. And we're almost done with the unboxing, guys. So just bear with me. And that is it. That is it. I'm gonna set it up on my floor, or probably up here on my stand. But for now, this will have to do, guys. So that is it, guys. That's the unboxing of the PS5. This is the digital version, not the disc. I wish I had the disc. But yeah, guys, it was 430-ish, 440. I'll put the price here for reference if you guys are looking into getting one. And I hope that you have the best luck with finding one, man, because it's hard out there. But yeah, I'm excited to try it out. I'll probably do another video. Let me know. Actually, let me know if you want me to do a setup video for the PS5. And if you say yes, I will post one after this video. But if not, next video will probably just be some Warzone gameplay or showing you guys a little something else that might be exciting and that's coming. But it's not here today, so I couldn't do it with a PS5 unboxing. But guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Make sure you check out the link in the bottom. Hey, we're gonna be streaming tomorrow, Thursday through Sunday night on Twitch. And I hope you guys stay safe, stay blessed, and as always, stay awesome, possum. All right, peace.